What's up, TurboRevers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts, guys. So basically we're heading out with our Skoda Rapid for something every car owner should do, okay, regularly, but most forget, and that is wheel alignment and balancing. Trust me, this small step can save you a lot in the long run, and it's actually very important for your car. So why is this important? Well, over time your car's wheels can get misaligned due to potholes, speed breakers, or even daily driving. And unbalanced wheels, they create vibrations, uneven tire wear, and make your ride uncomfortable. So once you get it done, of course, there are a lot of benefits to it. It improves fuel efficiency, extends your tire life, reduces strain on your suspension and steering, gives a smoother and safer drive as well, and of course eliminates vibration at high speeds, which is very important. Prevents uneven tire wear, protects your suspension components, which I think I already mentioned, and of course enhances overall driving comfort, guys. And hence it's of utmost importance. It's like your tires are, of course, your wheels are of the, your tires and wheels, of course, they are the pillars of your car, and it's very important that you get your wheels aligned and balanced timely. I recommend at least after 5,000 kilometers, max to max 10,000 kilometers, and if it's not running too much, at least once a year you should get your wheels aligned and balanced. So yeah, today we are going to the garage and we'll share the whole process. If you own a car and if you're watching this video, I hope it helps you out and helps you understand as to how important is getting your wheels aligned and balanced, and how it helps you out in the long term. So how it's done. If you are a first time car buyer, it's very important for you, especially as to because you need to make sure that this aspect is there when it comes to maintenance of your car, because wheel alignment and balancing is very important. Yeah, I hope this video helps you out, and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want more such videos, do let me know in the comments, and I'll try to bring them to you. If you have any suggestions for what kind of videos you'd like to see, do let me know that as well. Now I'm not going to talk anymore. Let us get to the garage straight away and get started with the alignment and balancing process of our Skoda Rapid. So when the screen says okay, guys, that means the tire is balanced. So the screen also says where you need to put the weight. That's pretty cool. So you can see that yellow icon there, and 10 grams as well here. The balancing is completed. We will be starting with the alignment, and then we will conclude this video, guys. just
I know it would be goodbye, my love. When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vague.
So guys, this process is called the 3D alignment process. It uses clamps which they will put on the wheel to align the sensors and everything in place. And with the help of sensors there, as you can see, uh, they will basically be aligning the wheels of our car. He's placing a clamp in front of you. So this will basically hold the sensor in place, and then of course there is a particular software that is used in the computer to help align the wheels of your car. So guys, we are in the alignment zone here. Here's the computer, you can see, and it's displaying whether the wheels are aligned or not. There you go. There's the wheel section. Now even I am unaware about the most part, but if you all are watching and if you all have some idea, you can of course let me know your thoughts in the comments. And educate everyone, all our viewers, to also have an idea. So check this out, guys. Check this out. Install the brake pedal depressor, steer the wheels as directed. The process has started, and we'll see what is what. So yeah, we'll be going inside. And they switched off a machine which was making a lot of noise. So the wheels are turning. There you go. I think that's the there you go. So the green zone is basically the alignment zone. The steering wheel is being turned from there. And here, there you go. It's like a video game, guys. I think, as per the screen and as per what I can decipher, the right side wheel is still not aligned. And if you guys know, what's going on here, please do let us know. And, educate all of us here. So yeah, this is what it is so far. So guys, let's understand. Okay, so basically this was our total cost, 900 rupees, and we added around 145 grams, 140 to 145 grams of weight in all four wheels, as you can see here. And this was for your alignment was what, 263, and the rest were like 42 and 1.7, 84.7, and you can see the rates here. And GST and everything, all inclusive, 900 rupees, guys, which is very reasonable, I believe. And if you want to know where I got it done from, if you're from Kolkata, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be on the screen, and I'll share you the location there, guys. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you, and plus this is the alignment chart. So let's share that as well. So here you can see this is the before, this was the target data, and this is the actual now. This is the current data. So before, as you can see, the left side, basically this is the right side wheel, okay, because the camera is, you know, inverted. And so this is, if you're seeing left here, it's right side, just letting you know again. It was out by 2.7 mm, and this was the target 1.1 mm. So if it is plus 1.1 mm or minus 1.1 mm, that means your wheels are misaligned, guys. So we were at 2.7 mm, that means we were at plus, of course, and now we are at 1.1 mm again, guys. So yeah, this you know, the left side, I mean the right side wheel was, you know, slightly misaligned. But yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you. This is how the alignment chart looks, as you can see in front of me. You can, you know, pause the video and have a proper look if you want. So yeah, this was my video, guys, of the wheel alignment and balancing of our Skoda Rapid, guys. I also will be servicing this car. The Rapid is due for a 6th service, and that will happen in July or August, most probably, depending on when I get the time. But it usually does happen during July and August only, because I got this car on August only. So it's due for a 6th service, and we will, you know, take the car there and share the experience with you and everything. So that is there. And of course, a lot of denting, painting work will also be done, which of course I will not do it from the showroom. I'll do it elsewhere, because वहाँ तो pocket खाली हो जाएगा मेरा. But yeah, so we'll do that as well. We'll do like the bumper repainting, the doors, denting, painting is needed, ceramic coating as well, you know, polishing and everything. So we want to make the Rapid brand new once again. Rapid will turn 6 in August, and I just want that, you know, newness back in our car. So yeah, these are certain things I have planned for the Rapid, and stay tuned for that, guys. Those videos will also be coming soon to our channel. But let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of this particular video? Did you, you know, understand? And if you are not aware about certain aspects of wheel balancing and alignment, I hope this video helped you out in that manner, and you know how important it is to balance the wheels and align the wheels, because it does, you know, take care of your suspension, the life of your tire, and you know, the overall health of the car, because the tires are the pillars of your car, right? So you know, even the rims health basically all depends on whether your car wheels are balanced and aligned properly or not. So again, it's very important that you get this done and not ignore it. This keeps the car running smoothly. So yeah, this was my video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really appreciate your support, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell notification icon, guys, so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. I'll see you all in the next one, guys. Till then, take care, stay safe, drive safe. TurboRev, Akshay Dhawan signing off. Bye bye.